Are you a business owner that's looking to grow and achieve radical results? Then you need to understand your numbers, and specifically, you need to understand the numbers that lead to your success. We call these at the Growth Academy leading indicators. It is so important if you want to be a successful business owner to really understand what the leading indicators are in your business and then create a strategic plan for success to derive those leading indicators. Let me share an example with you. At the dealership, 2 of our leading indicators are these. The first one is the number of test drives. We know that the more people who test drive a car today, the greater chance we have of success of selling a car tomorrow. And so we put a lot of energy and effort into driving test drives. We know that if we drive test drives, we get sales. The other leading indicator for us at the dealership is the number of service appointments booked. So at the end of the month, when we're taking a look at how things went, we're looking at the number of service hours that were done in our shop. But the leading indicator to the number of service hours done in our shop is the number of appointments booked. So if we put our energy into how many service appointments we're booking, we're going to get the end outcome that we most desire. And at the Growth Academy, we work with you to figure out what are your leading indicators. What will drive the end result that you're looking for? Let's back it up. Let's really understand it. Get clarity around what your leading indicators are, and then build a plan to drive those numbers. So much easier to drive test drives, right? To get more test drives than it is to get more sales. Getting more sales just is daunting. It's heavy, it's big. But when you back it up in the process, it becomes easier. Here are a few other leading indicators. The number of people who visit your website, the number of forms completed on your website, the number of proposals that you're submitting into the marketplace, especially if you're a business that is operating in a B2B world, the number of appointments that you generate. That's often a leading indicator. I'd love to hear from you today. What do you think your leading indicator is? And the next step is, how are we going to build a business that drives that leading indicator to your success? So comment below and share with me what you think your leading indicator is in your business.